yeah, 12 million is around. My main cow say Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but we are starting Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Kwa the multimedia group is share will be ponosoning and singing near to the Jumashron Kwama. That's why I'm so excited about what really is going to happen in terms of a year Easter festivities. No, Macau say on the 16th of this very month of April, National Theatre, Think Media, and Adom TV. Yeah, the Jumedia Shonko Ebrewa, Ushia, Kunini Biu Owos in the Chinese in Yemni, Jumtum, Pa Thomas, and an episode, and a Joyce Blessing, and what you know, Dr. Laikine Van Vika, and the Salim Comuna Asia was here. This time is the betrayal, the one they betray will be, and a whole lot of other issues never by discuss. It's fun. 1 to 4 p.m. Wow, to take it in the free health screening, not 5 years here. Now, if you must have a say, open ticket in Beata. Over Joy FM, I had to say, Obenya Biato, airport sales, Obenya Biato. Yet, Koso da, one I saw Kwansum Koso, this collaboration between Think Media and Adom TV on the 16th of April 2023, National Theatre, and I said, Mediwi, because of the on the brighter side of life, COP Nathan Kofi Boachi, 60 years. Happy birthday. Post in this wabɛsom Ghana ni akwanya sanyina mu nti era Kofi Boachi COP in fear Diosia. The journey hasn't been easy, but what demonstrates is that almost every situation biano you stand tall and you rise above all others. Nti COP Kofi Boachi, happy birthday. Yeah, my minister from grandma Alex Kweku Kwentwi Hukani Alice Kweku, your from Gamma, Quentry, who can issue also a happy birthday, so and commandy. Era Quentry would in his own peccasabia. She can't pay the into the Obayan Boko, or no ma, and now we read in our day to be able to come Eddie Amam. Damen for Wilson to Kumauma Hinenim, Miankasa, Minia paying. Adaroma Berma Safo Chenebo Akudua de eboboba enie enipa binimu omo ye wade hye wokumawu esese se wona maye omo kwan no ama omo dia by elections no mebunu ay wona dwene se ombe basa wo enti anka yira baso erade ato safreni kinim se nka bibia boko di edikan say this is what is coming, is about happening. Say umabunu no ebinima bo mutirimu pose one de basa ye beba eye wasase so. And knowing who you are, who to me any ahoden any animunyam ni ahobrase any kasa papa so beti mama umabunu no aya dwobre kakra. Enu achi so mo ka hospital no ho asem. Ti Berma Safo Chenebo Akudua ono mensin krachi ono yema and afi other relevant opinion leaders I want to Kumawu asase so wadaroma yenyina yeka adehye no ho wadaroma. Let's not use this time to fight and to demonstrate subambia ewiasa fra na nyina na MY nti mesasi sudua biem Berma Safo Chenebo Akudua na wadaroma machewa no pay one ohima ne wapamfu nyina se enimani ya na adesede kese pa ohare so hwese one omabunu no ebedi nkomo one wadehye ebedi nkomo na adwene po bia na ebe koso sa adrimpo bia no road, no by election, no hospital, no by election nyina no anomras because sa nyoma we na ya na onipa bone for no so fam na afi nyoma ensem fata na afi abegu kumawo nmas ye ifiri kumawo no is very important to our heart. It's na wadaroma bomode na tusa na mo we na adwobrama afi so mesre MPP for so am you might have every right but more right no kopim baby the MPP mpanyfo am so mo kumawo more Ashanti region. Titu Kumawu MPP for more kasa dodo. Ekurune ewura nti wo amanyo sem na kopim baabi ti ehunahuna no ya adoso ti wo kupi so a yakujaw nti mesrew say abusuafo mpo at this time they are grieving very bad sad moment for them. Now this is the time I'm person we any man bia ensem fata the seremo amadaroma adwobreo na ira baso ano yenkata na chi breo na enya ni munyam hye na ya odie no ye manage because obi anu ha obi bibi de hye bi afiri wiase a ebe ne fe and ebe ne there be. Let's manage the times that we find ourselves in. Na nkofa spillovers bia na nkoye attached to a decent man late Basua and in Ebusia. Let's lemo. Say Ebusia party for nananum adishia mokonum me pa bibia anye boko. Ma sheda na majibre and maka because baby nkomo no makeka akudu no man hwe ya na mokofa ha bebre aba. Na me appeal to contractors so awo kwan so oba na okọ Honorable Makwanta, please send back to your attention and so contractor more assigning to the road no oba no be 220 kilometers be no just 4 meters be no atwe no osako. That is not for us to interpret, but I draw attention to that fact is the contractor more assigning to the Kumau roads no the modern bono esifom enya de ye ni so nti so na yentu ho eye anamo the krakrakra no bunu ahafo eba attorney general kwada menya na ahafo na menya bunu east bunu ahafo this year out free wanchi a very young man but very focused and determined to change the face of our legal system. Attorney general kusu kuma Ghana Ghana edin kunim onyoma bebree mu nti amomyen kai no so mpaebo na yemwa no so na kunimdie ne nkoso ntoaso. Young, dynamic, effective, very focused, determined, very intelligent attorney general Godfred Yeboah Dame Kosoa and keep raising the flag of Ghana legally high. Na yeyina proud to be Ghanaians. Already we are, but you keep on adding why we should be proud Ghanaians. Indeed. Congratulating on the team, you know. They continue to do excellent job for Mother Ghana. Ghana's Attorney General Godfred Yeboah Dame. Indeed, also Yeboah Baso for your good works and what you continue to do. Yaba back to studio there. I say the Kofi Tonto needs no introduction. What's nasi? Era Kofi Tonto oka MPP amanyoko no. Pamchomo fanchemi. Ana okasa suma MPP amanyoko no. He's a staunch believer that where we find ourselves now as a country, after the exit of His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, acceptability of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is not in doubt, it's not in question. Inti, or a strong advocate why they have to break the eight with Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, even though or acknowledge appreciate it, equally competent people so our money no is kind. But at this moment, his belief when the social media intro when the Kasem presidential prime minister Kasa Okan, his belief, there's no doubt. So the GDM, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia will be the better amongst the best, the rest to lead the New Patriotic Party. For Ghana to see that kind of development, any fast-paced digital space na econo,
it is possible.
It is possible.
It is possible. See, we break it 8 now.
It is possible.
It is possible, said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Be di aban a party and a possible to say be break it 8. Oma mention there. Me fan cheers from council mama minister. On say apart from say me customer party, me a government spokesperson. As a government spokesperson, no me share Ministry of Information I say.
Indeed.
Was it?
And then I would
yes.
Yes.
And then my minister and my boss, the Honorable Kojo Pon Kroma, I would da. Anke her say baby be a man, but the whole day a cabinet. And you know, what she said, enquire do you need dream war and someone.
Okay.
Famano. And original if the case so now, ya was the Honorable Minister of Information, Kojo Pon Kroma. More and Casamudia, Modestia, Fear Hadia, Modestia, Precope. Yamano, happy birthday. Now, match Yaminia Dallas. Dallas, they mean Shiana. The minimum say WhatsApp messages, Obi show so
fantastic guy
or 2 atomic bombs there or buy watching professor what try depends on run and catch us over I feel you be do her notebook now what try someone that can you journey free her is a nice looking
yes oh no man me who said most of these school feeding projects no more even labs no kwano the omodi beye kwara akoko en na school compound omo no mo ebomodi achi akoko no mo that's Ampoma can you still regional communications officer my NDC is a strong advocate also GD say e breti say you know John Dramani Mahama on hwe chikura on hwe ni chenche mu kwa the GD ni say at this point what Ghana needs and who Ghana needs is the former president, now almost presumptive flag bearer. In fact, it's obvious. So over 80% of the NDC membership, they are extremely happy with the comeback of John Dramani Mahama to lead the party to victory in the 2024 elections. And Okan advocates said no John Mahama presently, then it means the NDC already said they want to take power from Onoakan, a non-performing government. On that note, Akwa Dallas. I
think I'm the so
I need to start with you because history rose there. Monitor power.
Yeah, I need the actually
improvement aba.
Me baho. Na mama nchia wono wa hwefo nya anopai. O mahine ya warishirimu se by 13th May.
Yes.
Na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wabeye obi a obidi anim di akọ 2024. I can see no. Na there's no two ways about that. You say ya na aye dwen ho ne percentage a obenya. We are looking at say 98 to 99% there. I was say to me etoman. Na ohamu nchemu baako na aka no ya chama wona aka no. Na ya kire omo se eduru omo nso so aye beye ne saa e de ama wo. But mprempren ya ye wo mu ide. Ye hia obi a se bempanese bi da wanum na woto a eden. Ti ye hia ne a ebi da nanum ye de ama na ma na koto. Na no na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Ba mu to internally sana. Aya mo hwe abonten so hwe se acceptability is very important.
Yeah. Omahene ena me ne wokasai. Oye opa ma central fu nko abonten ye voice pop. Mi se bisa nkrofo enum nsem se. Se de oman mu aye hu ana mususu ye manemra. We interview nipa 100 a obenya mu beye 89 a omo be catch us His Excellency John Dramani Mahama enemra. If is omahene ne record no ewo ho. Na ye de ketwa ma no a otumi ye mamanfo nyina hunu sampa wa bedi mampani na wo legacy ye obi nso abeje kese tini panifo bu be se wo so ansa na hu ni mu eden edu ene Ghana fo aso ansu o ma so ansa o ma hu se MPP aban de konyo enti se ye paban ama wa be yiye nya firi o ha ne amane a na nado dan kwa kufu adal haji bawumia na land kwadwo kire maten no e de Ghana ewure mu a His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. And kasem ne se ono na obi biara odana no a onam ye nyina mo ma no endorsement. Ti dia aka ne se ye be educate more. Se be obi nkoto nye den ense no. Onu se ma hye be dwam kra ye to a. To be say. And ye be education ni more. Se be ya ense. na yɛmfa dodoɔ no nyinaa ma no na yɛn close year ranks yɛn nyinaa nka mbom ne yɛntaa n'akyi ahoɔden yɛ sika yɛ nyansa nimdeɛ ne yɛmfa ne wɔ man because baabi a yɛduru no ɔman hene awurade a mbɛhwɛ yɛamfa John Dramani Mahama ama ɔman no bɛditu
baabi a mɔdu no
baabi a ɔman Ghana aduru
ɛyifa ne yɛdu
yɛdamena ne sum mu ahokyerɛ ɛka ɛkɔm kyenkyerinkyɛ ku nkɔtɔto anwapra dada soɔ ɛna ateɛ si wɔ ɔman Ghana mu ɛnɛ wo sɔre na wotumi didi mpɛn mmienu a na woyɛ sikani regardless of aduane a wodi sɛ garito na wodi ne mpɛn mmienu a woyɛ sikani na mmeranteɛ no yɛbɔ 001 sɛ nɔpa wo nidi awia wo nidi anwummerɛ no apɛ bibi kakra di
ati wodi hyɛ anwummerɛ di
hyɛ anwummerɛ
001 to which mind 100 what the problem be
oya no 100 ɛna kokrɔ bɛkyew because anadu nya bibi ni na wakoda tini owa kokoduro bia otumi ya no 010 tawia no odi heavier wanu nso agusu no de akoda that is the situation in this country
wow
and ya nhwe yie na ye ma Badwam ba haji Badwam ba penensi de enim na wia no ye nso kanea
so kanea hwani mai
ye nyina enim ne performance ye nyina enim sɛ bosha ɔhyɛɛ sɛ wo ba bɛda ne Ghana sikasɛm no na ye hwebu asɛm emfie nson mu na ye wei o bibi anka wada ne di ti mesre mi nua Kofi Tonto no aka on bibi wa ban mu omomo ano na 2024 yi de ɔsono yɛ den obɛkɔ na ban papa ba Ghana afa ne ntamapa efra
aban papa na nyame ya Adom a John Dramani Mahama de brɛ 2025 ko 2024 ne yeto aba no nneɛma ni bi ni deɛ wɔn ebi deɛ bɛ experience bi ni deɛ wɔn
ɔman hene wonu sɛ ndɛ me ne wo kasɛ emabu no a enni adwuma no adɔso compared to under his excellency John Dramani Mahama under John Dramani Mahama na yɛ ɔha mu nkyɛmu bɛyɛ nwɔtwe akyiri pɔm nyensa ɛnɛ atwam wɔ ɔha mu nkyɛmu edu nyensa ɛkɔ ɔha mu nkyɛmu du 9 asekyerɛ ne sɛ wɔn anka kane koraa na ɔmo portocas ɛso ɔmo yɛ gainfully employed ɔmo wɔ adwuma mu ɔmo yɛ adwuma abosom esu a ɔno nsa kɔɔ na no ɛnam na nado dankwa kufu ado Alhaji Badwam na lankwadwo kyerɛmaten mama mu bɔ ne nti enwuma ananka ɔmo yɛ mu adwuma no portocas ɛso ɔmo downsize ɔmo te adwuma ɔmo na ɔmo yɛ adwuma ne so ti na ɔmo te fie ɔmo nyɛ hwee. This is the very first time in the history of the world a obi anka kane no ɔte ne air condition mu ɛwɔ bank na ɔyɛ bank manager ɛna mama mu bɔne ne nhyehyɛ yɛ bɔne abegu ne bank nti na ɔtoto prako wɔ kwan ho and prako ni nipa he kora ne pɛ ti dakoro sales ahe na ɔbɛyɛ na so yɛ na ɔma wanya bi de atua o bills ti his excellency John Dramani Mahama na ni so ade hunu ne sɛ portocas ɛsɛ be create the enabling environment ɛwɔ yɛn sikasɛm ho yɛ bɛ yɛ sikasɛm ni yie na private sector no amunwuma ne egu no ɛgyina ne na so na matumi afa ɔmanfo ama ɔmanya adwuma yɛ den ayɛ if you say ne obi a na okita 100 million under John Dramani Mahama etumi de kokra books be 100 free ama na ne beton no say ne okita same 100 million na okwama na ne so kokra books no a wafa mienu ti na adwuma na yɛ den ɛkɔ form ti ne workforce no so be den ɛso bɛte that's the situation we are in now.
Dollars the country no true nim say mass so ya dey say I hear calculation but abrante atena
obi agi tu mu say
abrante atena
o ma he me kra my charitable because some be farm mu
friend mathematics charity
now one cedi like $1 what they give 4 cedi nenne ukita same $1 o kwa kwaje be 13 cedis me kra my charitable say mama
13 cedis no 10.4
interbank
even
black market asset enra na 12 Ghana cedis to $1.
It's not true
12 Ghana cedis because $1.
Dollars.
Me say me can dey say hoko he.
Wait me can dey say that's not true.
10.4.
Me say kwal haji bank say hoko he. 12 Ghana cedi to $1.
Yeah.
Okay. It you say 12 Ghana way.
Alhaji bank say.
Alhaji bank say.
Yeah. On sanwam.
Okay.
12 Ghana cedi to $1.
Okay, Kofi.
It would dey say be o man hene. Say ye 10 cedis mpo a enya wa reho. Say we find 4 cedi. Now so be ni ye. Na we dey do 10 cedi ni actually. Na wanya kukuduro TV so catch Ghana for say we wenye 12 or 10. We should be crying by now. That's what you so. With every resources I be kanko for inside. Begin to see be call omo ensebe ni ye. Ya kwan ya nam so. Me nam nkran Kumasi kwan so amebe. Amahine. E kwan na tetia pra pansam.
Kwan be no.
Nkran Kumasi kwan.
Ofa hen.
Even ofa ba.
Na me share me journey nasi from Nkoko. Amahine. Udru enyinem. Enyinem eye abena ose asare. Ne hono.
Yeah.
Krumu a obi anam hono. So wo to wo bonya sa wo tai be pai. Wo tai ampaya obese wo ka na ase ne manyina. Enyinam krumu.
Kofi brem na quickly ne komo so.
It be sire kofi no mo se. Sika no ma o mo ni o manum. Omo mfa nya dwuma na Ghana fo nya so mfa so.
Amai e da se bebre. Abranti a wati hai. Oso obi odidi dako. Osha abranti a wati hai ya.
No mfa me nyesu su.
Na ya han. We Togoni.
Me kura me ni.
We Togoni. O to we Togoni.
Oh
Dallas, what
can that me che kom? Ko fi to da me che kom.
Oyam chire kom.
Me che kom.
Na me hwe o. Makoye yi tua 500,000. 500,000. So I'll be filing. 500,000. But now we catch that you say we did that. Mokoye UPSA, you de moye ho. Koji auditorium kakraka, ye branding kakraka. Ma ho chire wo mu a enkofo no munsuo da no. You see, aban we yaje atum. Se ahokyere aba. Yentina ba bia nka se Ghana for afa na hogono so. Ba se wonya fidikase yeso se betena. Kai hu ni se de wuye bia Ghana for hwe wo. Wana muntu bia Ghana for hwe wo. Nansen ya President Mahama ekwa pro. Ihu Land Cruisers edi nenim. Enyo man a Ghana for didi dakono no.
Mo to me fa bi ko di nachi.
Ye fa bi ko di omampanyin achi.
I deceive people.
Is that the case?
Oh yeah. Ene ma men ka asem nchire o. Se obi a obepe omampanyin di, o security ye da porous. Se opponent etimi fa ka be di convoy mu. Dallas efidikase na otiso no.
Se mo amutumi fa bi ko di achire.
Oh baby ezo de na. Eze akufu ados ma me de convoy eko kan President Mahama.
Me ko di achire.
Enti no de o kan no e hurada sem. What I say? E hurada sem. O man Dallas te e kan akwan ho asem. Dallas Eastern region here now free.
Me free Nkoko.
Okay. O man
okay, me nka say me free ho. E ho no me constituency.
No constituency. Enye. And so wo aban bae no. So Eastern region kwan heaven. Kenya ne so abet na aka say Eastern region kwan atete apansa.
So me nchire wo dia.
What I say? U free Eastern region a wo ba no. Wo beto apedwa to Kwafu Krom. Na yaye. U free Eastern region aba wo tra Kwafu Krom a wo dru nsanwo mu no. Wo hu say ye bie kwan no mu aye no 55. Ubedu ye no to Pokuase interchange. What I say? Man, now me kase Pokuase interchange mo na mo ye.
You know, when you said no na ye Ghana for
no. Ghana for ni.
Can 122 billion e bija on debt no. Oh. Ti dia no je ma ho man hene.
Minia. Sa na mo ji Kumasi airport so far. So okwohwe the 2017 annual debt report. Estate 90 billion from Santander. And a Dutch bank. Pokuase interchange as one time I started Pokuase interchange, only my country. Ban redu emreso or call here budget no ready Pokuase interchange are buying by Pokuase interchange. That is when we started the negotiation. And I'm mobile here and a 3-tier interchange. One to me and started. Yeah, buy and you better negotiate loan no. And a 4-tier interchange, $84 million. From African Development Bank. And here the 4-tier interchange, the second in the whole of Africa. How about now because when I hear then, who throw BB to budget mu? Sanka budget ye tro to mu anka ye na because ban redu na di kan wasem in the budget. Don't come and sit here and talk about roads. The facts are clear. Abanye na the most roads in the Fourth Republic. 11,998 kilometers. Over 13 interchanges. And yami ya Adom near wie de ya ka ho a. Ye be 21 interchanges. Takrade, Tamale, Ofa Flower Port, Ofa Nungwa, Ofa Temamoto Way interchange. Oko Sogakope mienu wo ho ye. What are you talking about? Don't talk about roads. Musimu aye dodo pepper so one road. Kwan no ehunu ye te say de aye gary. Kanazu ya mokofa kwan no man no ye wie ehunu ye say gary. Don't come and sit here and talk about roads. Because the facts are clear. The facts are clear. So, Asante region.
So based on the Ministry of Roads for
data.
Almost data.
I have it here.
You have it.
Yeah.
Because I see a cleanse. Sure. 2009 to 2016.
Yeah.
What the NDC did or what Ghana did. Kwame Nkrumah Circle, Ring Road Flyover, Kaswa Interchange, Gifford Road, Airport Hills. 2017 to 2022, Pokuase Interchange completed, Temamoto Interchange Phase 1 completed, Obechibi Interchange Phase 1 completed, Tamale Interchange completed, East Legon Underpass completed, Suhum Interchange completed, Nungwa Interchange ongoing, Ajirigano is ongoing, PTC Interchange, Sino Hydro ongoing, Flower Port ongoing, Pong Barrier and Savannah interchanges ongoing.
But you Pong Barrier, Dowenya, Pram and Savannah is about about 2 or so.
But Obechibi Lamte interchange phase 2 ongoing. So these are the projects.
Yeah, these are. I can say about 13, and I'm citing. So I say, what kind of how we say 13? The amount I can see it me in 21. So Oko Kumasi Swami interchange na ye pese ye na. Swami interchange will come with about 6 overpasses and a beba be kan ho. Ti ufa interchange na ufi ye be flyover from different na be connecting
from Swami from Tafo.
Ni nyina will come and connect. Nti ni nyina you count it as flyover. Nti na me ka say see ti me ye no be kan ho will be about 21. The facts are clear. Undisputed. What I say. Nti see ye kan kwan asema Uko Kumasi a Ashanti region near the most roads 1,800 and over kilometers. Inti akwan asem dem yenka aban we jitu say Ghana ahochiraba enema mu ayeden. Inti de ye ene say ye be ma Ghana fo ho ahenhan omo. Ene obi a wo hwe me bia ne me be ya adwen. O de opa check Google. Opa frɛ abochi. Opa ko interchange interbank exchange rate. And then the dollar is about 10.4, 10.5, depending on where you get it. Oko Canadian dollar, they say Canadian dollar is a little under 8 cedis. Me no ka say me Canada they say my own name dada. Ti me check it. Canada baya be drew almost 11. Dollar no e baya be drew 14.5. Banyame Adom ene baby abedru. Petrol koya could drew 17.9. Diesel koya could do 23.9 and the petrol 12.6, diesel 12.8. Obi nka say aye ahongono so amagana for. But bibia kire say it is possible. Bibia kire say nyame esesa. Enti de ye ka ene say aban we anya akwa hohihie mu a aban bia nkomu bida. Enyame na make am. So we read the Fitch report. Fitch no mo downgrade yen. Who read your monkrata o de ba bonten a. Omo se Ghana ban economy no enya nsunsuanso kese ye bone a e free COVID ne Iraq Russia and Ukraine war. IMF aka, World Bank aka. Enso se ne obi aka bia ye gitum se ye na Ghana for to abaman. Nti de ese ye bia ye beye ama Ghana insikasem ayi. Nti o man se wo betina ha na o kan sem a no are careful. because obi enu ha wante say Ghana ayi obi enu ha wakasa na ye be ka president Mahama asem de anke nkanwe
ade
alright ye ka president Mahama asem all can or the president Mahama to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ya to abama Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so a president then to abama
will play key role in
of course and until no waka say condition bia aban no mu bia no onyi no hu free or a part of the government, but being part of the government doesn't make him the president. So onya kwanya no so be ye ne dia e na obetimi di na ye den atoto ye ntimi mfa akufo adonkoto sebe papa ya wo free mu ye ntimi mfa akufo adonkoto no amisata obetimi ayi sa comparison because he was a vice president. Obetimi akande obeka fa no ho bia, but you can't compare the two. So let's compare individuals omaye adwuma mienu. Si ese de ye beto aba ama na ene ye behwe obi anim de si ye behwe obi anim de ne ne wa ye nso a ye nim de Dr. Bawumia ye.
Okay, so you could try one by bar.
Try Dr. Bawumia ye. And now tie wo Ghana card on the buy.
On Adom TV multi TVs ye kwa basisia. See is about kika people wish that they can contribute through a phone, but more fun chemi na ye brain intino intime. But my main would say, Onyame Adoma 16th of this very month, our National Theatre, Think Media, any Adom TV, ya kabo ma eriju mediation ko ebro is the betrayal. This time one a betrayal in yon ko ushia ekuku dampa honum ajomtofone sinitwafo Badwam Salinko Dr. Likey ajomtofo Pat Thomas episode Joyce Blessing on your bass here. The TNA auto ticket na or a coince or no unya free health screening. Ebeba so 1 to 4 na fi no num pepepe or National Theatre na could do juma as I said in Tishan so say on the 16th and you may no num near name mom we take it into no benya kwanya na 1 to 4 etima hwehwe oni peduanem near ehwe ya DB wo honoma ehawa na yetimi amawa a better prescription to that effect. Kofi Tonto one says $1,000 and so one say he didn't come about a year Ghana. Another, the chairman of the New Patriotic Party, Kasai, and is captured here. The governing New Patriotic Party has warned its opposition counterpart, the National Democratic Congress, to be honest in its assessment of Ghana's economic situation. The NPP is of the view that, notwithstanding its excellent handling of the Ghanaian economy, the NDC has grown accustomed to concealing the government's economic gains using dishonest tactics, a practice it wants the NDC to put an end to. The NPP National Chairman, Stephen Ntim, in an address yesterday said, the NDC's hunger for power cannot be satisfied by lies. There's a quotation here. The NDC must desist from the habit and strategy of deceit in its quest for power. Such methods are often short-term, but have long-term ramifications for democracy, public confidence, and not least, the global perception and embrace of our dear country, Ghana. The NPP adds that the NDC's ploy will not persuade the government to abandon its efforts to its better economic record. Let me end by passing this piece of advice through you to the NDC. As a political party, the NDC has a sacred responsibility to be honest and upfront with Ghanaians in all things. Kobi?
Yeah, I mean.
The other mama, chairman,
oh, because since someone see doing Kessia Bekan, na sabi a baby any. On say, or fat Ghana for whom he hear a woman, no, their cancer. O my obekaya, Yawaha, and NDC for Becatre and say, COVID-19 in Russian Ukraine war, a jampu Cote d'Ivoire and a bag Ghana. Now, Africa hanging na, Ubia, ni wa call economic challenges. So, okay. And so ne no kure adedi ama trofo ho apa me no ka say Cote d'Ivoire ko IMF unim de nti o mo ko IMF tam wa ho hinhia ne ba ya enema bo ekosoro no o ma ban ne o ye ne say o subsidize enema o mo price control nti sa ade na say ye CD edua o mo ni timi mia so na bia ye CD ensia It is also compare Ivory Coast ne Ghana inflation rate then na be hu. Ubehu say Ivory Coast dey wo form, Ghana dey wo soro. But the truthful one can kire when they say Ivory Coast e wo price control. No more yes subsidy. And now read the Ivory Coast report IMF for the about say Ivory Coast abasa obeje emwafi say or your price subsidy. Omo ka kire say ewiase nyina obi ani wa short dollar na Ghana nko na short dollar. Me no ka say dollar Kenya they call krafa ngonkro mu nya bi. Enti Kenya ban say or the Kenya sika e na ekokra or ya arrangement or the Kenya sika. Me no ka say Egypt dollar ho akwatwe uko Nigeria dollar ho akwatwe to the extent say sika foreign companies omo ye adwuma e wo Nigeria esan ko mo expatriate and omo repatriate almost dollars e de ko omo krom no Nigeria ban say omo mfa nko to United Arab Emirates Emirates Airlines had to stop operations. And so you know betina ha create the impression say Ghana nko na akwa ho kire. Enti na esi e ba na be kire mu mo hu say enye no kre. Ewiase nyina na kwa ho kire mu. E na o ma ye koka dollar ho asem say nyame adom dollar e ba form. Unma asem o mo ka. NDC for asem o mo ka say dollar na aba form enye ye na ya ho bibia na ye breaks. Unim breaks are the crop mo ka say breaks. Un say wiase fuo amamai bi akabum Brazil, Russia, Russia, Brazil, China and a few other South Africa, a few other countries akabum say dollar ye de ton ye ma no ye nyusu dollar ne bio. Ti Saudi Arabia no mu nyina go against it. Enti NDC for argument omo ye ne say dollar na ewiase so mu nyusu bio no. Eno na ama dollar na ho den akofo mu nti. And I say Ghana ye dollar no and you see the ahoden no eyeyi kofu omo ka kire yen say Ukraine and Russia ntokwa ntimi affect Ghana na de esi wa abonten fa de ekoso wo Ghana ho na de dollar ye yi a omo kai Russia omo kai Ukraine omo kai China tells you who they are dishonest. Now omo sorry another try omo de ekwa abonten say ye ya bobesi a China ba bia enye no crack. You can check the data. President Kufuor Baye oja $7.1 billion US. President Kufuor Abaye. President Mahama and the President Mills of blessed memory. Ebe fa 7 billion. Ebe call 30 billion. Omo ade $23 billion in account. And ye Baye from 2017 BC ye de 14 billion and account. Undisputed facts. The attorney say so we fa 1 Ghana cedis bia president the saying Kufuor ebeja ya omo de uye calculation no wa ha every bia no omo de 819% ene beka 819%. So your permutations now from 7 billion to 30 billion and na no ye de 330% abeka. Every $1 Kufuor borrow ye biano. President Mahama borrow $3. Every 1 cedi bia President Kufuor J. President Mahama borrow 3 cedis. These are facts. What the ba yen sikamua. President Kufuor ja 9 billion. President Mahama ja 123 billion. And a yen di bedru 465 billion. And exchange rate problem na nya in November last year no e di bi beka onya bosia foforo na ebo yo because say cedi ne call from ninti no e the 108 billion beka ho ne ba 575 billion enti na me no kasa ya dollar na free 14.4 about 10.4 no ye calculation na sa 100 billion na beka no e be hwan afri so. But upe the proper indicator. Ubetimi die hu aban bi dodo sika dodo a obo ya enu nti na ese we the dollar comparison. It is clear. It is not true. Mahama nya the most money and the President Mills the most money in the Republic of Ghana in the 4th Republic dispensation. $23 billion. Tia den obi betena say ya mount the most resources and na wan fa anya hwe and na ye ne ye atoabo gas de mabufu ye metan ne say wono mo omuka kire yen say petrol ye nya ye ya adwongo no say nipa na be ka kire so wa ye atoabo gas na atoabo gas no ye de adwongo na ye petrol ye tu no a home by product and ye de ye gas ma wo ba ya wo so wa be ye atoabo gas ugu President Kufu anim kofa gallon say ya adwongo oye wiye no adwongo no oye wiye no wo abefa adwongo no say wo nam adwongo no so de aya adepa na nko afa adwongo na nka ama nka betimi aya adepa so na ye necessary see be ma Ghana fo ahu enipa ban omo ye ani atrofo omo ye, and that is the exercise the chairman of the party eniema no de o man ma tro bebre na emre no ne swa timi nkoni nyina mu enti de atia ne se ya gitum ne se kan bio sa ho kira ba ya gitum se ba bia petrol koduye no na nso ani ya gitum se ba bia dollar ne cedi ne koduye no na nso ani enne wo ne me be ya adwen se eniema ayaye ene global prices are, for example petrol aba from any gold for oil abu ama cedi demand no so dollar demand ye here on the local economy no aba from any sa ne mani nyina eboa ama akwantu a yepesi yitu no akonanim so wo hwe sa the last 3 days cedi ahode a epeja na apart from the global impact no another thing ne sa taxes na ye pass here. Because the children say the market players, enya GDA say we are getting closer to the IMF deal. Pacho what I say. Because the more you get closer to the IMF deal, na obia o here GDA wo economy no na epija. To be kaya mra IMF this staff level agreement buy no. Bo se na dollar na hoden no na eba form kakra. Ye debt restructuring ni wie ye no be say dollar na hoden no na eba form kakra ye sa taxes here pass wie asa aba form kakra. Okay, Kofi Medase ni nyina aboa e ma yetimi ko ba bia. I really wanted to get the understanding problem. But what's it? I'm person tell the chairman kind of see, especially Mama Central for kwanya o mantimi musa ba ko me no na person me tia see so I'm happy with your explanation. Me hwe na mo se Mama Central for. Oh, by Central for ba ho. Me se na mo se mo kwanya mo musa question. Yes. Okay, so Dallas.
My
The Chronicle front page crossing Akufo-Addo's data on education beats Mahama. Yes. Minister says impactful interventions have been implemented.
I can give you the data on education.
Dallas and
Nedi come into Winfrey Hotel.
Okay.
Obo ball roads to be free Ghana.
Ministry of Roads.
Ministry of Roads.
Yeah, Ministry of Roads.
Okay. Obia ni mu say Pokwasi interchange in your parliamentary approval November 2nd, 2016. That $94 million no. Obia ni mu say contractor no was on site before the NDC left power in 2017.
It's not true, Dallas.
Inti ebe me wan say obi be kase MPP na be Pokwasi interchange.
But
120 billion cedis ekai yeto no
123
account.
No, it's not true.
It yen ye pay sika to the contractor was on site if you are buying na mbeto aso. So it cannot be say a MPP for na be Pokwasi interchange.
Mutwiki drawing.
I make sure say apart from drawing amount no crash from kakra to the
3-tier interchange $94 million. Other projects school no money eka ho akwan be ye to awoshin mu nya nyina na ka project obusu hum interchange and then mama hu say Ministry of Roads am akwanta na minister. So obviously almost skew data no to benefit MPP. Trust me. Data me say
from a recognized institution onyame wado no ban ba. Put the data into say una wo and the most much
the data.
And in the Alaja Baso engineer Christian nti o ye wo conform mo mo ana ye adwuma bi sia
me obi a me wo gidie ma na friend data e me san me nimu say nipa or ye data no chere the outcome of the data.
But these are people who have worked with
all this home interchange ashim. So home interchange. When we start here.
When start here.
His Excellency John Evans Atamel Sabreso. John Dramani Mahama completed it. Obe commission now be kase wona wa be ya. Are you not insulting us? Tell me say one. Omo the data e ba bonten a. Omo fo obu kakra.
My data e ba ya da ban.
Omo hene, maka ne sa awie. Maka ne sa awie. Ye ba Ghana yisi kasem ne ho. Ba bia ye won ne, omo hene. Eye niema mienu ena de anya bedru ba bia ye dru. Ye di kan keta asehye project mu de kan ne kro no. Ena ne etoso mienu amamwo bone. Ena de ya bedru ba bia ye dru. Mini akofi se President Kufuor e kono. A car with Jatu was about 9.5 billion Ghana cedis. Yeah. And now NDC have been massive to 120 billion as of December 2016. Obian Mr. Mampenida de Kufuor, maybe I mind our mind 2 years. Sad debt I can't want someone this being inherited in 2009 was as a result of a year, so I pick right off Nina or be starting in a clean sheet. It for some of us here, face Obikra was started. Amamu on a clean sheet, I want a cabiano. 9.5 billion was already on the high side. By fan on tour. Projects NDC, a car boy in Nano. Who projects at the Bay, the Circle to International Airport Terminal 3 for Fefa, another Danko Kufado Babako, duty free shop on the Yemwejuma Ewa.
Oh my,
a year, University of Ghana.
When you said Terminal 3, or more connected 33% completed. When you said 33%, more than me, when you say, oh, connect Terminal 3, 33%. Okay. Oh my.
University of Ghana Medical Center, Bank of Ghana Hospital.
They say the president,
Maritime Hospital, Pukwasi Interchange, Circle Interchange, Yankasa, Kasua Interchange. Me say. Yen na ye kobo besia ben and the contractor was on site and say na ye free ben etikani kan ye ka ho
ma me nya education
ma me nya 20 billion nyina no sa $94 million no e ka ho
ma me nya education kakra ye obe
not in dollars
so the $1 oban dey time na so
ye sika sem no and that end is 120 billion no uhun ye di sika na ye den ye
assemble na okay
MPP buy from 2017. ABC na me no kase. And the Ghana ye in public debt no. Omahini. E twemu akudru about
okay.
600 billion Ghana cedis. 600 billion Ghana cedis.
Yeah, man, yes, sir.
I said what they total
600 billion.
600 billion Ghana cedis. The public debt as at a 600 billion Ghana cedis.
Mama, my source.
Now,
there are two places you can get the data from.
They could be and you're fine.
Now, they're fine.
600 billion. You should challenge it. 600 billion. From Omankasa, one more a budget report on the call, Parliament. 600 billion.
Should me page economy me?
Maybe I can't. Now, Omahini.
Yeah,
I feel what this. Yanka, debt to GDP. Say, what ton with Japadia Kutia, Ayawoka, and there is about 103%. It's a day you ton your Japadia in Asia, the Kutia, you bet your canavino, as a trika. And then I may know, Eka say. Interest rate is about 45%.
And they winning interest.
How much you
now figure see Papa
exchange rate. Let's even use the 10. Let's even use the 10%. $1 to 10 cedis. Let's even use the 10 cedis. $1 to 10 cedis. What the economy no? Inflation is about 52.8%. You can't say COVID-19 in Russia, Ukraine,
but you can't run away from those. It's important.
Before COVID-19, in March 2020,
the figures were good.
The economy now say,
I will give you an example.
Yeah,
where a sectoral analysis of NDC, or my Ghana Kasem before COVID-19, Ye free aban in 2016. Na offer to say interest rates, interest payments. Sika na nsi ho a yetua e wo ya ban ni mu a na ye 11.5 billion every year. MPP by 2019 we were paying 37 billion every year.
But so by
2019
you know the reason why so you know the reason why
here the way. So, we predecessor no tua 11.5 billion every year when the besia ho nsi ho. Oh, by 2019 na we tua 37 billion. Mo ho be miensa.
Ah, we need the ba.
Ofa eye sika, ye sika na ho odin a akofom a. 2016 John Dramani Mahama aban abreso no. Na ye ha mu nchemu nkron akiri pon nkron 9.9%. By 2019 na ye sidi na ho odin kofom 12.7%. Or how much you edumi actually bought 12.7%.
Me data
in 2019 no mo ka say economy no eye no. O hwe sa sectoral analysis here. Everything by 2019 na say. And sana COVID-19 eye den eba. Now I always ask myself say COVID-19 no. E den pa no mo say be ye wo munti a asay economy na amanye etwa ye ho ahia ni nyina economy no ye and there was Ivory Coast e wo IMF ohene ba omanhene Ivory Coast wa IMF ampa but the difference is that Ivory Coast ebe to me aye wono nhihye ya IMF any ji om ho om no om ye den enter into agreement aye program but Ghana ye struggle to qualify ye ko IMF no ye da stretcher so oxygen si yen so yehu yen ho yehu yen ho besi na me no ka say even March deadline ya message me no see hey Kofi Tonto cannot tell us when na you betumi qualify na IMF 3 billion you set to close near there way we were told say you close in March and then you April
there's nothing like IMF deadline no
now
Dallas we are doing an academic AU there's nothing like IMF deadline
when we say unrest e wo ho aba mamuo no asojafo no ne keka ho extremists wo mo kontokwa e wo ho ene Burkina Faso inflation is around 6.1%. Ghana is 52.8%.
Dallas.
Ivory Coast is 4.8%. Ghana is 52.8%.
No, but
Togo as at 2.1%. Ghana dying.
Dallas. Yeah,
now, you see, that is what we are doing.
No.
Man running a mamono account. Man say Ghana economy no. Man titia pro up and some economy. And I want this war COVID-19. Meanwhile, Sika ba COVID-19 ni mo about 30 billion or my money about 12 billion pen a year.